Hello everyone, this is Parvati Tripathi from Paru's Craftology. Today we'll be making this altered hoop photo frame which is super cute and very versatile. I'm using this particular 3D decoupage sheet. So this is layer 1 for you. And then we have layer 2, 3 and 4 for all the different elements. For ease, I've already fussy cut my 3D decoupage sheets, and well, I am not at my place right now and I forgot my embossing pad. So this is a jugaad that I found that works quite fine. So I've taken a bunch of tissue papers and made it a thick foam layer, and I'm embossing using my embossing tools, and yes, it did work well. So this is the hoop I'll be using. I didn't cut the last sheet because there are so many elements and they're all tiny. So I'll be cutting them, fussy cutting them while I start layering them. To start altering the hoop, I'm applying a layer of white gesso, and that's the finished hoop. And now I'm starting to cover the hoop using an organza ribbon. I'll be covering the entire hoop in similar manner. Seal both ends of the ribbon very carefully. I'm using tacky glue here. You can use any kind of strong glue so that it stays in place. Now to start our 3D decoupage work. As always, we'll be layering it up using 3D foam tapes. I did apply a bit of tacky glue to my 3D foam tapes so that it sticks properly to my hoop and it won't fall off. Now on to the second layer. Again repeating the same process here. Embossing the smaller elements, the buds. All you need to do is give a circular motion, and if it's a vertical strip, then some vertical strands, and your work is done. The same process of applying 3D foam sheets. My L0 and L1 is done, so the base layer and the first layer is done. So now I'm moving on to the outer layers, and hence fussy cutting this third sheet. Now these elements, these are to be stuck using silicone glue. Silicone glue dries transparent and hence gives it a natural 3D look, and no white space would be visible in your projects, and it retains the shape as what you want it to be. In similar manner, I am adding layers to all my flowers. The final layer, when you're embossing should be done a bit more so that your final layer is more pronounced and more 3D basically. We are done with our 3D decoupage. As you can see, it looks all three-dimensional and beautiful. Now on to more detailing for our frame. I am adding a beautiful lace here, just to give it that gentle look. I added a golden ribbon also just to enhance it more. And now for more detailing, I am using a thinner lace and applying a layer of this again over the ribbon that we have already placed over our hoop. And to match and complement the golden ribbon that we have with the lace, I'm doing a similar round of golden ribbon throughout the hoop again. Adding a small chipboard element again from Craftreat. This is just to add some interest and to give kind of support to the single bud that was. And this is how our hoop looks. Our hoop is done, and now on to making a support and a background to our photo frame. I'm using this pattern paper, and I've just roughly cut it out from the original backing paper with hand, because I wanted the edges to be rough, and I wanted that tattered look to be there. So just doing a bit more of tattering using hands, and then to make it even more pronounced, I'm using scissors and then sticking the layer of paper on our hoop. So you can see a beautiful tattered effect for this paper, and another layer of paper on top of it to complete our hoop. To make it a bit more detailed and more beautiful, I'm using some die cut elements here. And the final element, a photograph of my nephew. He was the cutest ever baby that I've seen, and this is one from, I think, when he was around 1 year old or maybe smaller. Adorable. And that's our photo frame. Hope you guys liked it. I have a close-up and a detailed video here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this process. Do try out 3D decoupage sheets from Craftreat. They are beautiful, they are versatile, they are amazing. So it's a must try. And if you enjoyed watching this video, do give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Till we meet again, it's Parvati signing off. Bye bye.